wahu wa gatatu wa kana kiumia giki mundu gwetwo Kofi Annan ni arakorirwo agithikwo na mwena ule wa Huruma hena ngumo ikoretwo ko thutha wa ngari citiganite ciokene ta Kofi Annan makoretwo magicakaya gikuo kia Kofi Annan na ringi makoretwo magikua abiria na thogora wa thi niguo ko magicakaya gikuo gikena thutha wa kuigwa ngumo iyo ri ndiakorwo ngicera mwena wa Huruma ndiakorwo ngicemania na ngari ici na riboti iyo no ino ha ona guka gukua gwake Kofi Annan oikaine ari ta mundu wa kuiguithania mabũrũri muno makiria kuria kuri na ngahiha ritwa riake rigitigara kuririkanwo na ingi muno makiria guku bũrũri-inĩ kuona mwaka wa 2007-2008 thutha wa mbara cia githurano ni akorirwo akiingira gatagati na kuigithania atongoria. Gokere oguo Sacco imwe ya matatu guku mucii munene wa Nairobi na iria ikuaga mwena wa Huruma itanitio na ritwa ria Kofi Annan aruti wira ayo kuma wa kana kiumia giki ni mamakithie aingi kuona makoretwo magicakaya gikuo giake guku athii magikenera gukuo na thogora wa thi.
He died on 18th August 2018. Madhumuni ya staffs wangu kutoka Thursday tuliungana tukanunua manguo ambayo ziko na jina yake na tumekuwa tukioperate kutoka Thursday. We have been offering cheaper means of transport from Huruma to town and town to Huruma. So the main name for calling using the name Kofi Annan in the motor vehicles is just to promote the ideologies of Mr. Kofi Annan.
And I've just appreciated so much our African legend, this Kofi Annan. And then we have been left with the landmark, our vehicles, our service matatus. They bear that name, Kofi Annan, and we appreciate so much.
Kuringana na Kitaito Titus, Kofi Annan wira wake ni autugiritie muno makiria kuma riria macemanirie nake bũrũri-inĩ wa Geneva mwaka wa 2013.
In 2013 in Geneva, Switzerland, while I was attending one young lord, a group of young leaders in the world, composed mainly of the students from various universities. We met there, and he even offered me a small prize. This is a book for the Kofi Annan. There's a book, Intervention in Life of War and Peace. So the book mainly promotes peace in the whole world. He is a guy who has been promoting peace and conflict resolution in many parts of Africa. He is a man of peace generally and is a retired diplomat. So mainly he is my mentor.
Kijagrega kifo ya Kofi Annan kwa kuwa ndio alileta amani Kenya wakati kulikuwa na violence. Area Madhale ni moja ilikuwa most affected, so tukaona ni usuli kuanzisha kuweka hiyo gari hiyo jina ilete amani.
Sacco ino ya gari ici cia Kofi Annan ni citugiritio ni muingi wa mwena uyu muno makiria athii aria macitumagira ukirikana ati ona riria ciri barabara-ini aruti wira acio makoragwo makiguithania aruti wira a ngari iria ingi riria mahitania moko makioya makinya ma Kofi Annan.
Kwa hivyo hizi ngari tunazipenda na tungeomba mwenyewe aendelee na kuongezea. Sio zinatusaidia sana.
And gari zetu keep on time na out of that gari siko yani members kiria kana aruti ya wira ni andu meginya discipline na so ntokereire muno nego kia ngari ta Kofi Annan in Huruma.
Ngumo ya Kofi Annan niwe tumite aruti a wira a Sacco ino ya matatu ukorwo gwa kahinda kau gothe magicakaya gikuo giake. Ngiribotera Gikuyu TV ndiri mwena wa Huruma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Marĩtwa makwa nĩ Mũirũrĩ John Mo.